This is a customized gift. It says, "Happy birthday, Queen Bee." I love me a customized present, okay? I love it, I love it, I love it so much. So this is a mobile gimbal. I've always wanted to get it. It's a selfie ring light. Come on, my selfies are about to go up a notch higher, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, a very warm welcome to you. Today's video is a very special one. As you can see from the title, I'll be unboxing all the presents I got for my birthday from family and friends, and I am so excited. I've actually had a sneak peek at some of them because I could not wait. However, there are a couple of them that I haven't unboxed yet, and I do not know what is actually inside, so I'm looking forward to it. If you didn't already know, Thursday, April the 13th was my birthday. Hoop and I created a wish list to share with family and friends. What I love is people buy me gifts that I need instead of stuff that I do not need, that I would just basically toss to the side. I need to be collecting dust. So basically I shared my wish list with my friends. So all the presents here basically are things that I love and things that I would use, and I am so grateful and I am so happy that they were thoughtful enough to actually get them for me. And yeah, without further ado, let's actually go straight into the unboxing, because I'm sure you guys cannot actually wait as well to see what my friends and my family got for me. So the first item is, I love this so much. So this is a, what is this actually? This is a gimbal. Oh my days, I froze for a second. So this is a mobile gimbal. I've always wanted to get it, but it's a bit, it's not like it's pricey. It's just something that I was not ready to invest in, but I knew that it's something that I would use. It's something that I need for my content creation journey. So I added this on my wish list, and my sister got it for me. Oh my days, I cannot wait to start using it. My vlogs are about to go up a notch higher, okay? So basically what the gimbal is a tripod, but it's also a stabilizer. So instead of using your hand to capture your videos, you can just use this stabilizer, and it just helps you capture smooth, stable videos, like just kind of cinematic videos you see that you like. Basically that is what this gimbal would do, and I cannot wait to start using it. I'll dedicate some time to study and basically watch some tutorials on how to use it, but it shouldn't be too complicated. But I absolutely love this. Let's move on to the next item. So, oh, this is another tripod actually. This one is a mini tripod, and it comes with this cold shoe mount, which I absolutely love. So this is what it looks like. It's just a standard mini desk tripod, but why I got this one in particular, like I said earlier, it has this cold shoe mount, so you can actually mount like a mirror, or you can mount a mic here, which always comes in handy. So yeah, that's that. And then the next item is, oh, mini candles. This is sweet, and it smells so nice. Where is it from? Habitat. Oh my days, this smells so beautiful. It's from Habitat. I got two mini Habitat candles. Love. And then the next one, oh, this is a customized gift. It says, "Happy birthday, Queen Bee." I love me a customized present, okay? I love it. What do we have here? So we have a hand and a nail cream, and then, oh, the Kierly perfume. I've always wanted this perfume. I've heard so many good things about it, so I decided to get like the 10 ml size, just because it's quite expensive, guys. I think this was like maybe 28 or so pounds, and this is 10 ml. I think the 50 ml is like 70 something pounds. That's so expensive. So I wanted to actually get the small one and see if it's a fragrance, if it's a scent that I actually like, before committing to buy the bigger one. So I'm glad I have it. And then the next item is a Clinique moisturizing lotion. So good. And then in the inside it says more favor and joy, love, Rose. Oh my days, I'm gonna keep this box because it is so pretty. And then the next item, let's see, what is this? I think this might be another diffuser. Oh, vegan organic skin balm. So this is a skin balm, and then we have a body oil, and we also have a hand serum, a repair and protect hand serum, and the last one is a hair repair and grow oil. Oh my days, this is so beautiful. I don't know where it's from. Let me see. Earth. Is that the name of the brand? I think that's the name of the brand, Earth. Okay, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm liking my present so far. And then the other item in the bag is, oh, it's a diffuser. I know this diffuser. Oh my days. It's a ultrasonic diffuser. I am so happy. Oh my days. Oh. And it's in this pink marble finish. This is so beautiful. It's ceramic as well. I love it, I love it, I love it so much. And the last item in the bag is, oh, the essential oil to go with the diffuser. Oh my days, I'm in love. Okay, I don't want to spend so much time on one item because I have quite a number to go through. So let's skim through it very quickly. I've gone through this one. And then the next one, this one is from Amazon, obviously. Let's see. It says a smartphone hand grip. Oh, I think I got this one for my tripod. Okay, this is what it looks like. Now I'm not sure how this works. I'll have to figure out how this works. But it is for my tripod, and oh, nice. Now I can't wait to put all of this equipment to use, and most of them are actually stuff I need for my content creation, so most of them would advance my videos, which I absolutely love. And then the next one is also from Amazon. This is the Morphe Mist. I think this is from ASOS actually. I might have just put in the Amazon packaging. This is the Morphe setting spray. We all know what this one is, but let me quickly open it so we can see what it looks like. Yeah, so that's basically it, to set your makeup after you basically apply all your products. And then the next item from Amazon is a selfie ring light. Come on, my selfies are about to go up a notch higher. Okay, so this is what, oops, this is what this one looks like. Is this clip selfie mirror where you just clip your phone like that, and there you have it, a very bright and cheerful selfie. And then we have two more to go. The next one is also from Amazon. Oh, this is a mirror tray, a decorative mirror tray. I almost got this recently, so I'm glad I didn't buy it because this is just perfect. This is exactly what I've been after, to basically put somewhere in my room. I think I want to put it on my dresser and then arrange my perfumes on it. yes, I cannot wait. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I set it up. But this is such a beautiful this is such a beautiful, nice mirror tray. And then the last item, which is quite obvious from the packaging, is a juicer. Why did I freeze? So this is a juicer. I am so excited for this juicer. Oh my days. I feel like I'm better off making my juices myself. Buying juice from these stores is just robbery basically. So I'm glad that I'll be able to make my own juice. I am so excited. I'm not going to unbox this actually because it comes with so many parts that I don't want to like dismantle. I'll just leave it in the box for now. And yeah, that's it basically. Those were all the presents I got, and I also got some monetary gifts as well, which we always love. So guys, that's the end of the video basically. I know I skimmed through them very quickly, but I didn't want this video to be very long. I just wanted to quickly just briefly show you all what I got for my presents, what I got for my birthday rather, and yeah, just share with you guys. And this is my balloons. They are still up, standing strong. But I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of my birthday present, and I'll catch you all in my next one. Bye.